Oh, fuck. Yo, how's it going? How's it going? And Pixis. And Jack. Robotech83. Hello. Hello there. Tom. Tom Millman. Yo, Live Freak. How's it going? Let me get up YouTube. It's a weird time for me. I don't usually stream this late, but fuck it. Let's do it. I wanted to do some administrative stuff today, but I didn't even get to it. But we're just gonna do some level design, and I might work on a new dynamic camera today. Actually, we'll see how that goes. Surprised to see you go live. Yeah, I know. You and me both. Wasn't expecting a stream. You're in EST. Yeah. We're in the same time zone. Yeah. Although I think it's EDT now, right? Speedrun moderators are AFK. Oh damn. Yeah, we need to get more moderators pretty soon. Yeah. Okay. I think we're ready. YouTube is up. Yeah, if you're interested in moderating, there's a Twitch, a Google form that you can apply to. Here, wait, I'll bring that up. Where is it? Maybe people already applied. Let me see. No, never mind. Okay. Oh, I was working on a Twitter post. We might do that first. Okay. We'll do that, and then we're gonna start working on the dynamic camera. Or maybe some level design first. We might do level design first, and then the dynamic camera. All right. Okay. Background footage? You like that? Yeah. It's just the trailer. If that's what you're talking about. Honestly, I don't like any of these posts. Maybe I should just try it. Here, wait. Yo, Finding Focus. How's it going, man? Thank you for the raid. How you been? Heck yeah. How's it going, aka Bob? Akabob? Akabob 56. Welcome, welcome. Good to see you. Doing good, making some good progress. Hell yeah. If you have any clips or anything you want to share, actually, let me see if I can check out your. I'll check out your channel here. I feel like I haven't seen your project in a hot minute. Thanks to everyone who supported the supported memory during the Kickstarter. We can't wait to use this funding for sure, why not? Actually, let's use ChatGPT one more time and check. Miori mi memorio moi mihoi minoi. Oh, I'm on your recommended. Thank you. Here, wait. Let's see. Yeah, what have you been up to? Oh, you got enemies now. What? Wait, what the hell? Oh, you told me to. I was like, wait, we don't even have the overlay. How am I doing push-ups? All right, we'll do push-ups. And then we'll check out. It looks good. I see you added enemies now, so that's pretty cool. Thanks for that, Fourth. How's it going, Fourth? How's your game coming? We've got corrupted geckos now with particle systems for spellcasting and cleansing geckos. And once they're hit enough by the fire, I see. Craftstone, how's it going? Oh my god, I'm out of breath. What the hell? Those push-ups aren't they don't feel as good when you don't get paid for doing them, you know? Oh, where's my... We should have our notifications here, though. Negative 20 push-ups. We'll just leave the negative... Oh, fuck. We should update this. Maybe we'll do that first. It'll be quick. I just want to get rid of the push-up counter thing. Or maybe we'll still have our total push-ups, but we won't have the set countdown or pending push-ups. So we'll do that. And we'll get rid of the counters. Here, let me add to those push-ups, actually. There we go. All right. But yeah, hell yeah, finding focus. I hope it's going well. Oh, yo, another raid, Skytech. How's it going? How's your... What are you working on today? Pass it back. Thank you. I appreciate it. All right, we gotta get some work done. I wanna get like a decent amount of stuff done today. We started really late, so we'll see how it goes. Here, wait. Let's do this first. Let's make a to-do list for today. Meow, meow. Thanks for the shout out. Yeah, of course. Boxcast? Oh yeah, we gonna do box casts. After the competition. We'll do that. Maybe. I'm not gonna do that today. I want to work on the camera today. The box cast is not like a huge issue. It's almost a non-issue. If we like, as long as the level design doesn't like freak out, we should be fine. We'll see. Almost done with the Wordle slash RPG boss rush mix. I didn't realize it was like a smaller project. I thought it was something you're gonna do, or are you just testing out the concept first, and then possibly gonna work on a bigger project? All right. Oh yeah, I do want to do the box cast. I think that'll be pretty interesting to show on stream too. It's not gonna be that complicated, but it would be cool to show. All right, or honestly, raycast. We'll see. But in the meantime, testing out the concept. If it's good, if it gets some good feedback, I'll polish it up. I see. Yeah. Once you're done, we can check it out. What's today? Oh, today's Sunday. I won't be streaming next weekend, by the way. It's the solar eclipse. There's gonna be a solar eclipse, sort of in my area, so I'm gonna be going to that, or I'm participating in some event around that. Most likely be tomorrow morning. We'll see, because I won't be able to stream it next weekend, but then that means 2 weeks from now, which is kind of far. We'll see how it goes. Maybe we'll just do it like on my last stream. We can play test some games. All right. Anywho, let's do some to-dos here. Add some to-dos. We're gonna do level design. Ooh, design. Oh my god, dude. Like, I haven't touched my computer all day today. I can't type. Level design. Let's do 2 rooms. I want to do 2 rooms every single day, at least 2 rooms every day, along with other things like, let's fix overlay, and work on dynamic camera. Here, we'll say work on. All right. Oh, and we'll say, to make ourselves feel better, I'm gonna add make Twitter post about Kickstarter. It's just gonna be a text post. Here, wait. Also, so close to affiliate, so thanks for the push. Yeah, I will say, I don't have much of an effect on that. Unless people refresh their page and remove... You know, sometimes when you raid someone, you go on Twitch and then you say, like, it says, like, ref raid or something like that. Let me see. You see, oh, refer... You see how it says Tom Millman, refer equals raid? It actually doesn't... It doesn't count as a view, unfortunately, unless someone removes that refer equals raid. So I actually didn't have that much of an effect. But next time, if I ever raid you again, I'll tell people. I'll just tell recommend that people remove this. So yeah, even though it counts as a view on your stream, for anything related to like affiliate or partner or anything like that, yeah, it doesn't count. Will you encourage me to stream? And there we go. I'll take that. I'll take that as a thank you. I'll take that thank you over the raid. The raid means nothing really. But yeah. Ooh. All right. Another huge shout out to everyone who backed Memory on Kickstarter. Your support is going straight into making the game even better. So grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Heartfelt. You know what? Maybe we should just be genuine and just type what I typed here. I just want to give. I want to give another thanks to everyone who supported. All right. Good enough. We'll say made with Godot. And what should we do? Platformer? No. Game dev? Indie dev. Yep, here we go. Made with Godot, indie dev. What's a good, I don't really like the muscle one. We'll do... Let's do this controller. Or you know what? Fuck it, let's just make a heart. That's a white heart. Is that the same one on Twitter? Yep. All right. I'm paranoid whether or not the ping is real or fake. What does that mean, Moxes? All right. Let's do the overlay real quick, and then we'll get to the level design. I just want to remove the pending push-ups and the set countdown since we don't do those anymore. I don't even care for the push-ups though. We'll see. Like, who cares how many push? You know, it's only 2,700 push. Like, no. Here, wait. Let's see. How's it going, Booyah? How's it going, Booyah? I feel like I haven't seen you in a hot minute. I hope you're doing well. I still have your game. I still haven't played your game. I feel bad about it. I wanted to stream it, but I'll play it because every time I see it, I'm like, oh, I should play it. But then you don't want me to stream, or maybe I don't know. I think last time you said you wouldn't want to stream it, but I'd love to stream it. I can't believe you. How's it going, Moxes? It's all fake. You can stream it. I updated it. Oh, okay. So you know what? I just told SkyTech that I would play their game too at some point. Maybe we can do like a. My last stream is probably going to be Thursday, or like not my last stream, but like my last stream for the week is going to be Thursday. So maybe on Thursday we'll like play test a bunch of people's games. I still have it downloaded. I think it's on my desktop right now. Let me see. Yeah, it's right here, Alpine Lake. Happy Easter. How's it going, Nathir? But yeah, I do want to play it. That's the desktop. It's better than my desktop icon. Mine is literally the Godot icon right now, currently. I thought I fixed that. Maybe it didn't update. Let me see. Oh yeah, here we go. Boom, boom. Okay. So yeah, I just want to get rid of these push-ups before we continue. Pending push-ups. What's this, like, +1? Oh, late push-ups and then set countdown. We don't need any of that. Honestly, I could just delete this node. Although, I wonder if this is going to break something. Push-up counter. Yeah, fuck it. Here, let's just turn off the timer. Right? Is that what we do? Connect. Yeah, we're good. Okay. So here, wait, let's see what this looks like now. Yeah, how's it going, Eventless? Eventless Gaming. And, oh, wait. Do you stream every day? I gotta say, I'll say something. I'm not proud of my current streaming habits. We used to stream every single day. I have not been streaming as much as I'd like to. I am going to try to get back into that habit, but currently it's not every day. It used to be, and I'm hoping within the next 2 weeks it will be every day. You know, get back to my roots. I've been informed that if I don't come to bed, the miss will be upsetty spaghettis. All right, I'll see you at Skytech. Tell them I kept you. Tell them it was my fault, and you were trying to leave, but I kept you on. Tell them I'm like tell them I'm a big streamer, popular streamer who's gonna playtest your game and showcase your game to the whole world, and that they should feel bad if you just left. You missed an opportunity, you know. I'm kidding. Don't say that. Don't lie. Apparently that's not good in relationships to lie. Mm-hmm. Although it is true, we could playtest your game. Mm-hmm. All right, we'll leave it like that. Honestly, I low-key don't even like this anymore. Maybe what we should do is like, let me see. Oh fuck. Let me. Yeah, like that. All right. Total push-ups. It won't be a problem until we hit like 10,000 or 100,000. But we'll probably fix it by then. All right. I think you have the best music. Well, any streamer can use the playlist. So if you ever find a streamer who has like maybe bad taste in music, just tell them, hey, Practical has this public playlist that you can use. I feel like who I think what's his name? There are a few people who use my playlist. Does this playlist mute the VOD? It does mute on the VOD. Yeah. It mutes on YouTube as well. Wait, let me make sure actually. I usually do mute it though. Like unless we play it does mute. Yeah, it does. Obviously not all of it. But if you don't want your VOD muted, I don't know if you know this, Booyah, but if you go into your desktop, you can turn off the audio. I turn off all desktop audio. Just you can like separate the tracks and stuff, or like have your music play on a different I don't know, whatever these are called. Um, yeah, there's a setting. Basically, you just have to make sure your tracks, your desktop audio is turned off here, and then I think in your OBS, it might be an OBS or Twitch. You just have to make sure that VODs don't capture track two, and then you should be good. It won't. It like your mic will be captured, but any desktop audio will be muted. I was trying to find a stream without voice chat, but you can hear my friend in OBS. What do you mean? Wait, what do you mean? I was trying to find a stream without voice chat. Game changer, yeah, no problem. Yeah, there's also like I don't know if you have if you have an updated version of OBS. There's also like this here. Wait, you can get an audio capture. Oh no, here, right here, application audio capture, and it'll capture like you can have it capture Spotify and then put this on track two instead if you want to hear everything. The thing is, it's kind of buggy. Yeah, it's like, yeah, it's kind of buggy. I know what's his name uses it. I think JD does dev uses it, and it's fine for the most part. But sometimes you'll hear his stream and like there's like this flickering of audio in the music. It's not like terrible. It's just weird. And it'll happen like every I don't know like 20 minutes or so. How's it going, Zeke? Like I was streaming. Oh, I see. I mean, yeah, you can mute your audio if you want to just mute audio. Just here, boop, 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 boop. If you wanted to mute everything, like or mute specific things but not others, you're gonna have to try to find some software. There's like some software you can find for like capturing different audio sources. I forgot what it's called. There's a few out there. I'm sure if you just do a quick Google search, you'll find it. All right. Let's do some level design, and then we'll get to how do you mute mic audio. If you're on Windows, usually the audio mixer automatically shows your mic audio and desktop audio. Sometimes you might have to add one of these sources here. So audio input or audio capture. But yeah, usually if you have one of these audio mixers, you can go into either mute it this way with one of these buttons, or you go into advanced audio options and you can see everything. And then if you wanted to mute it, actually I don't even know how you mute it. I guess how do you mute stuff besides like setting the decibel values really low? I'm not sure how you mute. I mean, if you turn off all the tracks, it'll be muted technically. Active. Yeah, I don't know how to. Hello there. How's it going, Ravier? Best way to have is to have a mic that you can do natively with a light indicator, so you always know. Yeah, you know it's weird. My mic, I have this. This doesn't work. Here, wait. Let me see if you can. Can you hear me? Check this out. Hello. Yeah, you still hear me. This thing doesn't do shit. It's weird. Oh wait, it kind of works. It like. It. Hello. Yeah, it's weird. Like, I don't know. The hardware is like, yeah, it's borked. I think the thing is, the mic that I'm using. The mic that I'm using is Q2U, and the Q2U has two inputs, like two ports. You can use USB or like the typical giant what is it called, the three prong can't hear me, Yes, you can. Don't lie. What was I going about? Yeah, there's two audio types. So I think if you're on the USB, it works. But I think with this one, with the three prong, what are they called? Fucking analog, I guess. Yeah, XLR. With the XLR, it doesn't work apparently. Okay. Either way, it's whatever. I mute. I just mute with my. I mute OBS, but I do have like an indicator. I have an indicator on my stream deck that shows if I'm muted, so that kind of helps. But I only mute OBS just because I don't know. Sometimes I might be like maybe I'm on Discord or something. But yeah, alrighty. Let's do some level design first, and then we'll get to the camera. Because honestly, I don't even know if the camera stuff is gonna work out in my favor. We're gonna kind of mess with it today. All right, what did we do? We did flying moths. Oh, we did a lot of checkpoint stuff. Checkpoint, indicator, and animation. Okay. I turn off phantom power from condenser mic. Phantom power. I think I have that too. Phantom power. Isn't that phantom power? I actually don't know. I think I have a condenser mic too. Only works for condenser mics. Oh wait, maybe I don't have a condenser mic. Is a Q2U a condenser mic? Condenser mics are ones that like grab a lot of audio, right? From like a huge distance. I think I have a dynamic mic. Yeah, I think I have a dynamic mic. I don't remember. Okay. Either way, let's what was I gonna say? I want to do one more thing with our checkpoints as well. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do this today, but for the checkpoint on room switcher, reset player position to on y-axis, or I guess on x-axis. Mine is dynamic. Okay, yeah. I'm not sure what the difference is, but I know, like, I don't know the exact difference, but I know condenser mics pick up audio from like really far away. If I'm not mistaken, there's like these. I have an audio interface, and there's like this setting that you can add, like add more voltage or something. Dynamic is better for general use, like podcasting, right? And what's condensers used for? Recording and singing. Oh, I see. Okay. Interesting. Okay. So we designed 2 rooms last night, or was that? Did we stream yesterday? Yeah, we did stream yesterday. So yeah, I want to design a few more rooms. I'm actually really liking. I say this all the time though. Every time I design like new rooms, I'm like a fan of it. That's a good sign, right? I feel like that's a good sign. Or I'm just delusional and egotistical and think everything I do is good. Could be both. But yeah, those are the last 2 rooms that we made, and I really like them. They're very simple, like minimal mechanics, but also, I don't know, nice design, I think. Oh, obviously this is bad though. We can push this up a bit. We could push this up 2 tiles. I'll have to, fuck. Let me see. I think it's easier if I keep this the way it is. And just make this taller. Yeah. Also, this is kind of sticking through, but it's okay. Sticking over, I guess. We'll fix that. Here, let me go into this room. We have to add what? 2 tiles? Let me see. Three tiles. Well, yeah, I hope everyone's having a great Sunday. And a great Easter if you guys celebrate. I've never celebrated Easter, actually. Oh, what the hell? Oh, I didn't save. Okay. We have this tool that like correctly assigns to the wall or closest I've come to celebrating Easter was hunting for eggs. Yeah. Closest I've come is like going with my siblings to go egg hunting, I guess. Like, you know, taking them to the park or whatever. I forgot what tool will we. I thought it was set auto tile, but it doesn't seem to work. Usually we set these wall, like this side wall should be like a full layer here, but it's not. Like it shouldn't have like this weird border on it. We'll fix that later. Ooh. Let me see something. All right, we're good. All right. We also don't have lights, any lights in this room. We also don't need this checkpoint here, but I'll leave it. I'll leave it. All right, next room. What are we on? 290. So I said I want at least 200 and I want 300 room. No, 400 rooms by release. So we have to. What's 2 we need 110 divided by 2. 55 days. 55 consecutive days of me making rooms. That's it. That's, let me see. So April and May. Yeah, honestly, it's doable. And I'm sure there's going to be days where I do more than 2 rooms. Fuck it, let's do it. But I have to be consistent. I have to make 2 rooms per day. Like, guaranteed, I have to keep making rooms. Which I don't mind. Let's do it. Let's get started. Okay, 291. My mother gave me an Easter egg with only a bunch of different beers this year. With a bunch of different beers this year. It was pretty nice. I don't really drink, but the gesture is nice. That is nice. Michael T. Thank you. Thank you for the follow. All right, so... shit. Okay. So do we want vertical rooms or do we want to start working on horizontal rooms? We can make this entire section a horizontal section. Only thing is, for this section, another thing we want to do is if the player can't beat this room, we have to tell them, like, we have to throw them back and be like, oh, what if we make it so that if you die in this section, you have to restart from the beginning, and you like lose all of your progress. We could do that too. When will you decide my game is ready? It's never going to be ready for release. I guess the best thing you can do is lose all progress. Lose all progress for this section. So this is going to be a secret, and all you have to do is traverse from this, you see this one, to this one. If you don't, you teleport back to the bottom. And then you can continue going back this way. Or you can traverse this way and collect this, and then you can keep going on your merry way. It's kind of like separate paths. You feel me? I'm thinking this whole gate thing is going to be really cool. I think I'm going to turn this into like a really cool mechanic, where like if you go this route, then all of this gets blocked off. You know, there's gonna be gates here that block off this. You can grab this collectible if you need to, or maybe make this a part of the level design. Ah, that'd be so cool. Oh, dude, I'm overscoping level design, but dude, I love level design. I think like eventually, if I ever get really into game dev, and like there are other programmers and stuff, like I'm working with other programmers, I think the only thing I might do, I mean, I would still want to work on some of the mechanics, because I also do like working on mechanics too, but I feel like I would focus only on I'd focus a lot on just level design. I wouldn't say I'm amazing at it, but I do think I'm competent, I guess, in that aspect. I enjoy it too. I think that's the number one part, the number one aspect. If you enjoy doing something, then that's really all that matters. And then you'll just get better over time, you know? All right, so do we want to do horizontal rooms here? Or, yeah. Let's do horizontal. I haven't done any. Actually, there is one. There's one horizontal room in this entire chapter. Every time I overscope, I tell myself skill issue and add more to the scope. I see. So it's always a skill issue. It's never actually. What the hell's going on here? Why is it, oh yeah. You know, it's very distracting, actually, the black border tile map. What I think I should do, let me see. Can we hide it? No, we can't. If we hide it, it's just going to reappear next one. Yeah. What I should do is, like, make it red, while we're still working on it, and then on the ready function or something. Or, like, maybe we just make a here, let's just do that now. While we're testing out the game, I'll go into the black border tile map, and I'm just going to make it, like, just a different color, like a red or something. Or, honestly, we could just make it invisible here. Here, I'll make it transparent. Visibility, self-modulate, and we'll just say, like that. Or, you know what? I'll just make it invisible here. All right. There we go. It's hard to tell what's what. All right, so horizontal rooms, we usually don't have too much happening on the y-axis while it's happening on the x-axis, while we have movement on the x-axis as well. So here, wait, what's our minimum size? Usually it's like 176, well, no, 184. Oh, we got it perfectly. All right. All right, I haven't done much horizontal designs for chapter 1, so this is actually going to be, I feel like this is going to be kind of interesting. I'm not sure what we're going to design just yet. Springs, we're mainly using springs, portal. Oh, wait a second. We don't even have portals. Fuck. I kind of messed up because there's no portals in this chapter until, like, you go here and it's already a portal, which is not good. We'd have to make sure that the player can't go into this room on the first run, which is fine, I think. Yeah. We'll see. I'm not sure yet. I didn't think that through. But this design is so good, so yeah, I feel like we'd just block it out. How's it going, Casper? My Tetris should be an MMO with 360 no scoping. Honestly, if you made a game like that, Tetris, but it's an MMO with 360 no scoping, I feel like there's a market for that. What the hell is this random block here? I have no idea what it is. It was a wall decoration auto tile. And also, we have a furniture tile map here. What the hell is this? Furniture boxes. Okay. Why do I have that there? Let me see something. Yeah, we should remove this. This is an old, I think this is an old node that we used to use. Boom, 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 boom. It's trying to get some bugs fixed in Godot Manager 0.2.x. Godot Manager to do a release so I can focus on 3.0. Do you have a page for your Godot Manager? There's so many people. I feel like you, Casper, like I feel like there's so many people out there, especially within like yeah, like the like I feel like I create like little like bubbles of people with within the software and game development community, or I guess within Godot. And I feel like you, Falinir, Yag, Arrow Axe, I feel like all of you work on like tools, like Godot tools. It's like a Godot tools group. Meow, 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 meow. Is this you? You Mario? You Mario? Am I following you? I am following. Oh, this must be you since I'm following you. Falinir is doing a Twitch game, and all of us are helping Falinir. That's you? Okay. Yeah, I'm following you. I need to make some more shout outs for people. I should also make sure I save it. Oh, I wrote Fulo. Check out a fellow. Who is this? Pixis? Meow, 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 meow. All right, there we go. Now we got we have Eero. Literally here. I should put this like into a group. Well, actually, Aaron doesn't work on a. But I'll leave it like that. Good old Casper. Capser. Good old Capser. I didn't even see that, dude. I think I might have dyslexia. All right. Good old Capser. All right. Let's get to it. So what do we want to design? I have literally zero idea. Why are our things here weird? All right. And let me remove the wall decorations. Yeah, I go. What's this? It's already starting out with a banger. Road Rage. The toxic. Oh, this is a toxic adventure. What is this? Mufocus. MFKZ. It's a cute, cool thing. What game is this? MFKZ. Oh, bro, I'm getting so distracted. I'm just gonna check out this game and then we're gonna get started. Yeah, it's not a game. Maybe, I don't know. I've come to witness more jumping. I'll try to make more jumping happen. All right. So yeah, usually I don't allow movement on the y-axis if we're moving along the x-axis, but maybe it'll be okay if we don't move like over one screen size, you know? Like within like 25% on each side might be okay. We'll see. Maybe we'll have people test this out. All right. Also, how big is this room? We have to make sure it's either the full length, like it goes all the way up to here, or we have at least one screen size left so that we can enter the next room. I guess we could technically also push this a little larger, but I think that's weird. No. Bad take. I'll take. All right. All right. What are we gonna do here? Let me see. We start out with springs, platforms. Usually, let's start out with a platform. Get the player into the groove of things. They jump. They go boom. Three platforms, right? You start out with 3. They're not on the same level. They're like, you change levels. So first you start out like up here. Yo, Code Space, how's it going? Thank you for the raid. I kind of like this song. I think I like anything Toxic Avenger or like, yeah, I'm biased. We are drifting into the abyss. Let's do it. The abyss, here we come. There's still some issues with our tile map. I'm like low-key kind of lazy. You know what's nice though? Like going forward, because there's not really any more public demos being created besides like after this release or like, you know, after the speedrun competition, we'll probably make one more demo and then call it a day. I'll never have to worry about like, you know, like the tile map stuff, mainly because like anyone who playtests my game is like someone who's already a fan of the game, so like I feel like they won't care. You know, I had to keep up I had to have a good impression for the demo, but yeah, going forward, it's like, it's whatever. I don't think anyone's gonna complain, like, you know, if like some of the tile map looks shitty. Is this the abyss? We care, practical, we care? No, nobody cares. Oh shit. What did I just do? Reset. Oh fuck. What is this? 13. Well, what the hell is going on here? There we go. But yeah, how's it going? How's it going, Code Space? How are things? How are things over at the non-abyss channel? Going good? That's good to hear. What you been doing? Some more NeoVim stuff? Gotta head to bed? Have a good stream. Alright, Tom. Have a good night. Peace. Can't type today? That's good. That's okay. I can't read today, so maybe that works. Maybe it works out. You can't type, I can't read. And it's like the perfect combination, you know? I'll make up for it. All right. This room looks shitty for now, or it's nowhere near what I want it to be like. But let's see what this looks like, what this feels like. it's pretty boring. I don't want this to be boring. We can make it so that there's a spring here. We could put a spring here instead. An opposite. Here, let's try this. Also, it needs to be you know what we need to do here? We need to add like see how we have circles here? We need to add circles to this the issue with having circles on these platforms is that like you can jump from the center or you could jump from the corners. So it's like there's such a high margin for like where you jump off from. Maybe I should make these platforms skinnier. Make it two tiles instead of four, because four is a crap ton. Using TypeScript with React and Electron for the native window. I see. I'm not working in Neovim today. I'm making a GUI chat client for my. Oh, I see. Okay, cool. How are you enjoying it? I think you're relatively new to streaming, right? How are you enjoying it? What is this song? What is this? Spin Eternally. Interesting. There's like new songs playing right now. A bunch of new songs. But we got to go with our OG music right now. I mean, I've almost done it for about 6 months now. I see. Okay. You know, I feel like I've been following so many streamers now. It's hard to keep track of people. It's hard to like. Yeah, it's hard to. Yeah, be on top of what everyone's doing. So if I ever like am not on someone's stream, I apologize. Alright, let's see. I wonder if it's okay to. We could use a dash orb though. We could expect them to use a dash orb to get across. But then what's the point? What is the point? Actually, we could do this here, right? Bring this lower, or like closer to the middle, and then we add a dash orb. And make them go up instead of go down. So like this. They dash across like... something like this. I think they have a lot. I'm not sure what the distance is for this. We'll test that out in just a second. Oh, and we're gonna test out to see if they can go up. Like we can actually add more size to this room here, like on the y-axis if we wanted to. Just Pape, thank you for the follow. And Next Level also thank you for the follow. So what am I doing? Level design. We're doing level design today. We're also we might potentially work on a dynamic camera today, or like more of a dynamic camera. We'll see. I don't really have high hopes for it, or like I don't know if it's gonna work out. So I don't like how this is playing out. Let me see. See, we go boom, boom. I kind of like it actually, but I think we need to put spikes here. How much longer until it's out? So it'll be publicly out. I'm not sure yet. What I'll be calling quote unquote the base game, I'm trying to get done by June. But I know that's very ambitious, to be honest. Very, very ambitious. But I work really well under time, like under deadlines and stuff. I will be still updating the game though over time, so we'll see. Love the demo and really enjoyed doing your player controller. Oh, thank you. Glad you liked both. Also, after the game releases, I'll be doing like a way more intricate, probably another intricate tutorial. Like a lot of people like that tutorial, but like I don't know. I feel like every time I feel like this is pretty common for even content creators. Like it's never perfect. Like it's never gonna be as good as you want it to be, and especially for that tutorial and like the tutorial itself and how it's structured. I want to make some updates to it. Yeah, I want to be better at making tutorials. There is a demo. Yeah, there is a demo of the game. You can find it on here. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Where is it? There you go. Yeah, that's the Steam page, but yeah, there is a demo. Take a compliment. No. No. Oh yeah, wait. If you use Proton on Steam, it should be fine. You don't need wine. I don't think you need wine. I'm pretty sure. Actually, yeah, I feel like Steam automatically knows. Like usually, I think they know you're on Linux, so like it should be fine. Yeah, Proton. Isn't Proton a fancy one? Maybe, but it's very, I don't know, easily implemented into Steam. So like, why not use it? I don't know. This design is fine. It's I don't like it though. I think it's shitty. Let me see. If we lower this, it'll be better. We can lower it. Here, wait. Let me see. Do. And then you jump across. You have to dash into it. Jump across, dash into it. Dash into this spike. You have so much distance though. Here, let's see if this is possible. No, this is definitely not possible, but I want to push this more over here. P. Gorley. How's it going, P. Gorley? Whose stream did I see you on today? Were you on JD? JD stream? No, or JD or Ravier? I don't remember. Or both. This is not too bad. Kind of like this one. Are we in the castle? In the game or the song? Because, yeah, we're also low-key in a castle. We're kind of in a castle in the game, too. Yeah, after all, this is just a Mario clone. What is the stream time? Dude, I don't know whale time. It's whale time. We're on whale time hours. Sup, whale time. All right, so should we try here? Wait, you know, fuck it. Let's give it a. So, what's 176 plus 8 divided by 2 is 92 divided by 8 is 11.5. Let's give it a shot. So 12 on each side, or let's do 11 on each side. How do we know what the size is, though? It doesn't help that we didn't do this on the origin. All right, we'll go up to there. Honestly, it doesn't really matter how big the room is. We can go like. Let's give it a shot. Let's do that. Posture check. Thank you for the posture. Is the red killy? The red just gracefully takes you back to the spawn. Gracefully takes you back to the beginning of the room. What's going on here? Bro, we did some shenanigans with our wait, maybe that's a yeah, what the hell's going on? Let me see. I might have screwed something up. Yeah, why is our border tile map looking funky? Yeah, I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know why this is happening here. That should not be happening. It's like, what the hell? Our border tile map is freaking out right here at this exact spot. Not sure why. Let me delete it. And try it again. Yeah. Oh yeah. What the hell is going on there? I don't know. Fuck it. Let's just. We'll figure it out later. Actually, maybe it doesn't even matter. We can just do this. Well, we'll figure that part out later. I can't wait to. It's gonna be annoying, but I can't wait to refactor the auto tiling, like make an actual tile map tool, or like a in-game editor. I think that's gonna be fun. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun to stream. So teleporty is this? It's time to get funky. Yes, the teleportation. State-of-the-art teleportation mechanic. Never has been done before. It's pretty unique. I don't think any game has done that yet. I think Valve tried to do it with Portal, but yeah, I think they failed miserably. They only made like 2 games with it. I'm not sure what to do here. Unless we add spikes here, because I don't want to give them a break. No breaks. We could either do another portal, another dash orb right here. It's kind of tight though. See this. What's the counter on the top left? It's how many minutes you have left to live. The timer on the left. Why do you have a timer? The only reason you'd have a timer is if you have the debug enabled. Timer? Timer on the left. Counter on the left. Oh, counter on the left. You have a counter on deaths. These are all the counters. Yeah, I'm not sure. On the stream. Those are the amount of push-ups that I've done on stream, more or less. Wait, you already have a dash here. Sup? How's it going, Amit Coder? Sup? Official idiot this side? What do you mean? Do you have tiles that move on a track? On a track. What do you mean? I don't understand what anyone is saying. On a track. Like procedurally tiles? Aquasam 8, how's it going? On a platform. Oh, we had moving platforms a long time ago. It's actually still kind of an issue. Moving platforms are kind of weird in Godot. Like syncing everything to be perfect. It is possible. I did it a long time ago, but I kind of hacked it. I didn't like my approach to it, and since then they've been removed. I've removed them from the game. I do want to bring them back. I've just never had an issue. I've never had a reason to, because I don't know. There's just so much to explore in level design that I haven't added moving platforms again. I feel like the only thing that makes moving platforms interesting is like momentum based stuff. You know how Celeste does it. So yeah. Either I add momentum to moving platforms, or I just don't have any moving platforms. Or like they're like switch based, sort of like there is something interesting that we can do with them. The moving platforms, if you played Celeste, they're not really platforms. Those blocks. Here, what are they called? If you ever played Celeste, they have like I think it's like the second to last chapter. I think it's chapter 6 or chapter 7. there's like these blocks that you dash into them, and then there's like this face on them, and it goes blah 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 blah, and he like moves across the screen. Those are really nice. I like those. They're like dynamic, or like, you know, they react to the player. It's like it responds to the player's input. So I like those. So I would do something like that, either with buttons, like either with dashing into the blocks, or with like switches, similar to the buttons that you see in Chapter 2, like these ones here. So Mario switched blocks. Yeah. Basically. Or something like this, like yeah, kind of like Mario. These guys, but like they're a little bit more fancy. In fact, I might add it to this chapter. I want to add more. Like, I think there's a lot to explore with the level design of these types of chapters, but adding more mechanics to this, or adding more to the switches would be really cool. We have like every color in the rainbow, sort of. Not really. We have like red, blue, green, purple, and that's it. We can always add more though, but 4 colors I think is good. Fuck. I need a better way to switch between chapters. I have to like, I need a way to switch between chapters within the editor or within the game. Is that a cat behind you? There's no cat behind me. I'm trolling. Yes, there is a cat that follows us. I like the idea of this room, but it's kind of whack. Not gonna lie. Because you have to double dash. I don't like dashing twice in the same direction. But it's kind of, maybe we do an up left dash, but a right dash to an up left. Honestly, not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. Good idea, practical. This is why you're the level designer, and we're just watching you work. In game, what is name? Technically, okay, I've given the name Jasper. Or actually, I didn't technically. I don't know if I named the cat Jasper. It might have been me or another individual that goes by the name of Deja Vu, who I'm not sure which one of us named the cat. There was a individual who was helping me with the story at some point. Their name was Deja Vu. So if we do an upright dash to a bounce, to an up left, to an up dash instead, to a right dash, that's like so much cooler. But it's kind of it'll be cool. It'll be cool. It's a lot. It's a lot going on though. That's the only thing. And then what? And then what? We need like a spring. This is why. Yeah, this is where level design becomes kind of annoying. I'm trying to think. Ugh. Let me trust my gut. So we go here. The thing is, we're double dashing. You could technically reach this point. It's just, let me see. Dude, I don't know what's going on with my tile map here though. Like, why the hell is this bar here? Whoever wrote this tile map script, I gotta fire them. Yo, how's it going, Military? Good morning. I think it was prestactical. Prestactical. Whoever that guy is, they're fired. You're fired. You guys ever see a Bugs? Is it a Bugs store? A Bugs Tale? Bugs Life? You're fired. Eh. You're fired. I used to watch that movie so often on like on like VHS. Some of you youngins might not know what that is. It's a piece of technology that used to exist prior to streaming and DVDs. Fat Green Worm movie. Great movie. Fat Green Worm. Oh yeah. I'm a pretty butterfly. Meow, 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 meow. Ants. I don't think I was a fan of ants. TBH. Let me see ants again. I think I saw so much of Ants Life or a bug's life that like wait, let me see ants. I've definitely seen ants, but I think I liked A Bug's Life more. I think because they were so similar, I preferred A Bug's Life. Also, I didn't have the VHS for this one. The tape for that one. Okay. Dude, I don't know what to do about this level design here. It's nowadays people get to grow up with the B movie. Right. I'm not sure what to do. Do we stick to what we had before? Do we put a dash over here? Do we put 2 dashes? Do we put a spring? We could put a spring here. Wait, let me see. Boom. I don't like how tight it is, though. Also, it's kind of annoying that we have a bug in our tile map here. What the hell? Yeah, what the hell is going on here? Why is it freaking out on us? There must be like a missing like an imaginary tile somewhere. Here, let's remove everything and see what happens. Oh shit. Let's not. Oh god, I almost got scared. Let me see. Is there any imaginary tile somewhere? Yeah, what the hell? What the frick? Here, maybe let me see if it happens on other tile maps. Let me see. Run reset auto tile. Can we reset auto tiles here? How do I set auto tiles again? Fuck it, let me just paste this. I want to see if it's a bug with our tile map here. Oh yeah, okay. It's just a bug everywhere. Yo, JD, how's it going? I saw you were popping off today. Popping off on stream. How was that? I saw. I didn't really see your stream. I joined and I think you were on an ad and then I kind of had to lurk. Yo, gonna check you out on Kickstarter. Thanks. Although the Kickstarter is done, so I mean you can check it out, but yeah, you can just see how it went. But yeah, it's no longer running. Hey, what the hell? Why is this random tile here? Who put a tile here? Whoever put a tile there, I'm gonna fire them. Yo, Carrion, how's it going? The Kickstarter is done. I'm the backer. Were you actually backer number 1? I'll check the history. Okay, this is not too bad. It's not amazing, but you know, nobody's perfect. Unless we can figure out the perfect level design here. Maybe I'll just leave. What if we put a platform here instead? Give them a break. This is supposed to be a really challenging room. Also, dude, this thing is pissing me off. Let me see if fuck. I don't want to fix a bug right now because I don't know what it is. We're gonna be redoing the tile map anyway. Let me see. What if I just run? See, it's also happening here too. I don't know what the hell is going on there. Let me see. Let's just try putting more tiles here, seeing what that does. Apparently that fixes it. Okay, cool. Why does that fix it? That's so weird. Interesting. You see, we still see these tiles here for some reason. That makes no sense. Whatever. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna put it back for now. It's not, honestly, it doesn't really change anything. It's just annoying to deal with. Let me see. What if we do this? Does that affect it? Yeah, it happens here too. Oh, you know what it is? You know what it is? It's because we don't reach the minimum 5 tiles. That's why we see it on the border tile map. We added to our script recently. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. I'm still firing whoever wrote that though. Like, they should have known. But yeah, who lurks around these parts? I'm sure like 90% of people on software and game dev lurk. It's such an easy platform to lurk on, or easy category to lurk on. All right, so we hit this platform, then what? Then we do the same exact thing that we were planning to do originally with the design here. So we put a lower, we could put this here and make them dash into this spring too. Be conservative with our space, even though we have, no, let's not be conservative. We have so much space to get through. So you jump across, maybe you go for this platform, or sorry, this dash orb, and then from here you go for this spring. Let's see what this looks like. Dude, I actually miss level design. It's like, I wonder if this is the most fun I have in game dev, actually. It's like, I guess it's my form of creativity, you know? Pretty much anti-lurking, flipping channels to see what everyone is up to at the same time. Boost my numbers and don't have to pay attention. Yeah. So yeah, we could do that. I don't like how slow it is, but it's also not everything needs to be speed ran. Also, actually, wait. I think this needs to be higher. Can't wait to reach the level design part of my game. Still working on the damn main character. I will say level design is, I think for most programmers, level design is like the hardest thing to do. Cause it's like, I guess it depends though. If you're like procedurally generating, it's hard to say actually. I don't know. I think it's a visuals or system. Yeah, I guess it depends on what sort of level design you're doing. Like for me, obviously level design is very hands-on. If you catch my drift. Some people's level design, especially if you're doing like procedural generation, it's like, I don't know, numbers. It's a numbers game, or like figuring out how to balance things. Lots of main character work for my team also. Oh shit. What the hell? What the hell? I thought we were able to reach that. Fuck. I don't like this. We gotta bring... What the hell? What do we do? Why are we so far now? Let's bring that there. Fuck. Here, let's get rid of these spikes here. Bro. Whoopsh. Also, if anyone's interested, there's the speedrun competition ending tomorrow? Is it ending tomorrow? When's the speedrun competition ending? I think it ends tomorrow. Yep, tomorrow at 3 p.m. I should make an announcement on Steam or Discord. ends tomorrow at 3 p.m. EDT. You have until this deadline to submit your run. On speedrun.com/memory. Let me just make sure this is the right link. This is not. What the fuck? Who? Holy shit! I've been linking memory. Fucking. Whoever wrote this needs to get fired. What even is this page? Fuck. What's the... Oh, it was renamed to Memory Demo, that's why. Oh my god. Oh my god. But yeah, fuck. Alright, we're good now. If anyone's interested, wait, let me... Tomorrow at 3 p.m. you have until this deadline to submit your runs to speedrun.com. Until my controls work. Fair enough. We'll probably do more competitions at some point. It'll probably be like a... It'll probably be an any % of the entire game once the game gets released. Or like maybe a week after. We'll see. Only thing is, if I run a speedrunning competition, we'll have to see, because like, is it bad to run a competition that also requires someone to buy your game? I was thinking about that. Maybe I'll give like a few free copies. Not sure. What the hell? What the hell? Not a bad idea. I'm having a lot of fun with Blender. So at least I want walk, jump idles, hit animations before I get started. Probably won't do all those for the enemies though. Also, I pushed the art jam comp. I didn't push it. I pushed the voting. We're gonna do it definitely this week though. I know some of you are probably anticipating the winners. I know. No, JD submitted. I don't know if Pixis might be lurking. Yeah, there's some people who participated. I didn't submit. Never submit. But yeah, I do plan on doing that soon. I've been post. I should have done it. I feel like I should have done it today, actually, earlier today. But I streamed so late today. If someone submitted for me, it's probably a Pigorli clone, and it's just a drawing of Dick and Balls. Oh, that okay, yeah. I see. Yeah, that was Pigorli. I just realized I could have lowered all of this stuff. We didn't have to keep pushing it up here. We could have made it lower. Let me think. This is a big room. I will say we're only gonna design this room today, but this counts as like 3 rooms because this is a really big room. Is what I'll tell myself to make myself feel better. Play with that. There's another plugin that turns your UV into squares. Oh, bro, I just realized I thought we were going to work on a dynamic camera today. I guess I wasn't expecting to make a room this intricate. We kind of got sidetracked. Or not really sidetracked, just we underestimated this design. But it is a nice design, I'll say. I wish I was faster, though. Not bad, not too shabby, actually. We're not gonna use any portals in this room. It's gonna go boom, up dash again, or up dash or up left dash. We did an up left dash already. Up dash, but we do an up dash here too. Let's do another up dash, and then we could do an up dash, then up left dash, or up right dash into a wall, and then jump over a spike. Like this. Give them a break. They do get a break here. We could give them another break. We'll give them another break. I'm a good guy. So it'll just be actually another platform right here. He's out of bed. All right. I'll see you, JD. Have a good night. Good night. I'll be here designing this room. Here we. How much space do we have left? We want to reach the end here, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4 tiles. Are we at the end here? No, we're not. Oh, what the hell? Who designed this map? Who designed this game, bro? Too shorter. Like this. Nope. 2 more. Wait, what? Weird. Okay, works out. Oh, we're almost done. We're almost done. Um, we're getting a little lazy towards the end, but that's okay because I think the beginning was really hard anyway. And also, it's good to note that I think what we're gonna do for these rooms, I think at some point we're gonna probably redesign this game or redesign this section. I'm probably gonna make it slightly easier, but it is gonna be more punishing. So, like, if you die, if you die in this chapter, you die in real life. So, we have to make it a little easier for the player. I'm not a fan of that little section right there. Boom, 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 boom. The issue with these rooms or doing this is that if you're working with gravity, you can just like skip this and go here. There's no reason why this has to happen. Unless we make this higher. It's really hard to I haven't figured it out yet. Like designing rooms like this. Let's try that out. It might work. We'll see. Fuck. Oh, so close. But I also want to make sure we can't just hit that spring. I think this is going to be lower anyway. Let's put this here. I got to make sure you can't just go like that, which is maybe likely. Honestly, if you can, maybe I should allow it. Like, it's not a big deal. It's kind of tight, but actually, I think it's fine. I think you can do it. Oh my god. Yeah, you can do it, which is fine. But you can also do that. Oh, maybe not. We should put a checkpoint like over here so I don't have to keep going back. Oh, why is this room called Q? Boom, boom, boom. Oh, there's no way for us to test. Wait, let me see something. I still want it to be an up dash, I feel. Actually, this is not too bad. Let me see. We could also make this tighter, like boop, boop. Skinnier up here. Like that, maybe. Steam functionality in Godot and recent information on the subject uses multiplayer spawners and multiplayer synchronizers that don't have any written documentation. Sigh in the editor. Oh man. Hopefully I never have to. Ooh, I don't know. If I had any sort of like, I don't know, networking or multiplayer features to the game, usually it's not going to be. Most of it is, I think it's gonna be asynchronous, so I won't have to worry about it too much. But I would like to explore the idea. The thing is, like, if I do something I've been exploring like multiple platforms like console and stuff, so it's gonna be hell either way. I think, not just for Steam. Not looking forward to it, to be honest. Yeah. Oh, he's been messing with Steam multiplayer. I didn't know he was messing with Steam multiplayer. That's pretty cool. I did see. I think last stream I saw him working on like peer-to-peer connections. It was pretty cool, actually. Oh shit. Yeah, it was pretty cool. Grumble and I are like. We go back. We work on similar projects. So like if he starts working on some multiplayer features, I feel like it's inevitable that I would have to work on some too. That's just the way the cookie crumbles. We are, after all, both making Celeste clones. He's doing that through Steam. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay. I know Pixis was exploring some of that too. It's meant to be quite easy because the spawner automatically creates/destroys nodes on every client and synchronizes replicate their values and positions. I see. I want to look into it. It's just there's so much to do right now. All right, I think we're gonna call. Let me see. Call it for this room pretty soon. There's like a little bit left here. Let me see. Honestly, we'll probably just leave it at like 2 dash orbs. So one like this and then one final one. Up dash, then right. Then you don't want to make it too annoying. I think this maybe, yeah. Right dash. We can actually bring this up a bit. Oh, it's good to note. Wait, actually, let's see where we are in the map. Oh, I see. We want it to be like right here, actually. So, Wow. And up dash. Maybe this is good. We can. I think you can get across like this. We could also do something like where they drop down, they dash here, they drop down, then dash up here, then dash. Like, they fall down. Let me see. It's not too tight, but it's also the first... It's not really like a... It's like the first secret room. Or first, like, hardcore secret room. So maybe making it too tight is not a good idea. Could do something like that. Although I feel like they could just dash across here, and we wouldn't even need this unless we do something like that. Let's see. Do. Oh shit. I don't know if I like this. I think we could bring this closer though. Good enough. We'll probably make some adjustments at some point. It's not perfect, but all right. We might not even need this this spring here, or this dash orb. We can just keep it at 1. Just put one like right here. Make them do an upright dash. Fuck it, I'll leave it the way it is. It's good enough. All right. Let's see how this whole section plays. I've never had a room like this, like a complete circle. So let's do the whole thing from here. Yeah, that's worth like 3 rooms right there. Oh shit. Okay. Oh fuck. That's what I get for trying to speedrun. I don't know if I like it. Also, we did not connect to this room at all because there's no checkpoint in this room. And it's not gonna work now, I don't think. Yeah, it's not gonna work. We have to like restart the entire game if we want this to work. But yeah, I mean it's good enough. Here, actually, let me do it one more time for funsies. And here we go. And then we're back to this part. Pretty cool, pretty cool. This is what we wanted. We want multiple paths for the game. We need like now we need to do that, but like times 20 for everything. Honestly, that's like two. I would say like probably honestly maybe just two per or one or two per chapter of like those types of rooms or sections. I mean. Alrighty, we're gonna call it here. I know it was a short stream, but we'll do the dynamic camera movement stuff. I was not expecting this design to take this long. It's still not perfect either. We'll figure that out though. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Peace. Competition ends tomorrow for anyone who competes. Oh, it looks pretty badass. Let me hear this. Creastricon, Taco Adventure, Apollo. No one. Ooh, I thought we saw so many people streaming earlier. What happened? What's Rob doing? Oh, dude, Rob has like these. Wait, oh no, this is a video. I was like, oh my god, what the hell's going on here? Sean in Retro. Let's go for Sean in Retro. I don't think I've ever rated them. What the hell's going on? Alright, people, till next time. If you'd like to wishlist Memory, find it there. It's also a demo out on the page. I will see you. I will be back tomorrow, probably. I'm gonna raid Sean in Retro. Night night Practical. Night night Casper. Have a good one. And Military, I'll see you. I think JD went to sleep. Everybody lurking, I'll also see you. Good night. Bye.